Myself Ramya. I'm going to take a topic on in case study problem. In case study problem, we're going to take topic on arithmetic progression. What is arithmetic progression? A series in which the difference of any term and its preceding term is constant is called an arithmetic series or arithmetic progression. This constant quantity is called the common difference. Example, 1, 4, 7, 10. How do you find the common difference in AP? 1, 4, 7, 10. 4. What is the first term? 1 is the first term. What is the second term? 4 is the second term. Third is 7 is the third term. 10 is fourth term, etc. Okay. How you find common difference? Second term minus first term. What is the second term? 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. Same. 7 minus third term minus second term. You get 7 minus 4, 3. Common difference is same. That is the D value is 3. Same second next example 6, 1, minus 4, minus 9, minus 14. So what is the second term? 1. 1 minus 6, 5. Okay. Next third term minus second term minus 4 minus 1. You get minus 5. Okay. The common difference is same. Same third example. This is a arithmetic progression. Okay. Arithmetic progression is a series in which the difference of any term and its preceding term. What is the preceding term in this series? 1 is a first term. For 1, what is the preceding term? 4. 4 is the second term. What is the next term? Next term is 7. That is the preceding term. Okay, 7 is the preceding term. That is the arithmetic progression. Okay, first example. Find the 40th term of an AP whose 9th term is 465 and 20th term is 388. Let the AP be a plus d, a plus 2d up to etc. What is we have to find 40th term of an AP. 9th term is 465. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 9th term is n is a n. Then you write Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus 9 is a n. N minus 1, 8. 8d equal to, what is the 9th term value? 465. Same thing, 20th term is 388. A plus 20 minus 1, 19th d equal to 388. First equation and second equation. You solve this two equation. A will be cancelled. You get 11d equal to minus 77. D equal to minus 7. Okay, you substitute d value in any one equation. A plus AD equal to 465. Okay, A plus 8 into minus 7 equal to 465. You get A equal to 465 plus 56. You get 521. Next, you have to find 40th term of an AP. What is the 40th term? How you write Tn? A plus 39D. Okay, what is A value? 521 plus 39, d is minus 7. Okay, 521 minus 273 divided by 248. This is the solution of 40th term is 248. Next, second example. The nth term of a series is 7n minus 3. Show that the series is an AP and find the first term and the common difference. You have to find A and D. The nth term is 7n minus 3. You can write as Tn equal to 7n minus 3. Okay, you have to find for n minus 1th term. Tn minus 1 equal to, in place of n, you substitute n minus 1. 7 of n minus 1 minus 3. 7n minus 1 into 7, 7 minus 3. 7n minus 10. Okay, you get Tn minus 1. Okay, then you minus Tn minus 1. What is the Tn? 7n minus 3 minus of 7n minus 10. 7n minus 3 minus 7n minus into minus plus 10. 7n plus 7n minus 7n cancel, minus 3 plus 10 you get 7, which is a constant. Okay, therefore the series of an AP and the common difference is 7. Put n equal to 1 in equation 1. Okay, you get T1 equal to 7 minus 3 equal to 4. That T1 is the first term, that is the A value. Therefore the first term is 4. This is a solution of this problem. Next, third sum. The rate of monthly salary of a person increase annually in AP. It is known that he was drawing rupees 200 a month during 11th year of a service and rupees 380 during 29th year. Find his starting salary and the rate of annual increments. What is a starting salary? A is a starting salary, rate of increment is D. Okay, you can frame which one? First one is, it is known that was drawing 200 month in 11th year. You can write A plus 11 minus 1, 10D equal to 200. Next, 29th year, A plus 29 minus 1, 28D equal to 380. Solve these two equation, you get 18D equal to 180, D equal to 10. From equation 1, you substitute D value. A plus 10 into 10, 10, 100. A plus 100 equal to 200. A equal to 200 minus 100, 100. Therefore starting salary is, A is a starting salary is 100. What is the annual increment? D is an annual increment is 10. This is a solution for this problem. A is a starting salary is 100 and annual increment is D. This is a solution for this problem. Thank you.